Sometimes you can get a floor plan from your customer and you can draw your fire alarm layout or your other system layout on the background that you get from the customer. However, there are times when you don't have a floor plan. You need to make one. Maybe you measured a building, maybe you did a job site visit, and now you want to draw the floor plan. Using ordinary AutoCAD tools, which are part of the standalone and the AutoCAD plugin of FireCAD, you draw lines. An M-line is a good line to use because an M-line means it has two lines parallel to each other. Using the standard M-line commands in AutoCAD, you can adjust the thickness of the wall if it's representing a wall and so forth. You can use direction and distance commands to draw the lines to be the length that you want them to. Using those commands, let's say you make a rectangle. This is your basic building outline. Now, you add a room in the upper left-hand corner. Again, using direction and distance commands to set the length of the walls that you're drawing in. The little room needs a door to gain entry, so using an AutoCAD block of a door or drawing a door from scratch or creating your own block are all acceptable methods. You can use a pre-configured door block like this one and therefore rotate it easily, move it over, snap it to the wall, proper thicknesses, and so forth. Now in this room, we're going to add a window. Using the same method, we grab a window block and place it where we want it. You can also use blocks to represent room names, or you can use ordinary M text or regular text, single line text. As long as you provide the information, you're going to be able to create a background on which you can then describe your fire alarm system. Here we're using dimension lines so that we can show the overall length of the 200-foot long building. Now we're ready to begin the system layout. This concludes this video.